Guys, it happened again. I got scammed. Let me show you. So I went to this website and I wanted to order this. Let me show you what I got. And we're not done, unfortunately. Let me show you the other ones. Now, this is directly from their website. I ordered these 2 units. Okay, you ready? All right. Where's the lace? I just want to know. And then, it's missing hair, and it's heavy. Hold on, here go that next. Oh, God. I don't know where the lace is and why it's missing so much hair in all of them. Look at that. So, I'm sharing this with y'all so y'all don't go to this website because they lying. They really lying. Enjoy the laugh so I won't cry. Okay? Deuces.